You are about to listen a poem titled Beauty of Nature by Kirrthiney Sivaraj. Oh dear colorful pretty butterflies, did you get your colors from beautiful little flowers? You are nature's angel and self-propelled flower. You remind me that everyone deserves a little sunshine. Oh dear stylish white moon, are you drawn by scattered puffy clouds? I love your dazzling silvery lights during the darkness. You taught me that darkness can't hide the beauty of life. Oh dear stunning sky-high tree, did you grow so tall to hug the warm sunshine? You grow where you are being planted and you root yourself. You taught me to maintain strong roots for me by knowing who I am. Oh dear, peaceful, mysterious chilling river, are you running chasing after little shiny fishes? You are magical because you flow with grace around any obstacle. I would love to carve my own path like you always do. Oh dear, glittering, sparkly, twinkle stars, are you blinking and twinkling in sky to fascinate me? You decorate the sky and make it look adorable. You taught me that no one in this universe will ever be alone. Oh dear, delightful, surprising, dripping waterfall, are you singing lullaby to fantastical sea creatures? Your thundering water can be so violent and calming at once. You made me to go with the flow to keep essence of life.